ABB India Limited makes equipment and provides services related to power and automation. The company offers full range of product, engineering solutions and support services to help manage and improve the use of electricity and automation system. In this video, we will deep dive into stock analysis of ABB India, all in simple language. Make sure you stick around till the end to get the complete picture. ABB India is the part of ABB Limited, a global leader in electrification and automation. Because of these, ABB India Limited gets several benefits from its parent company. It also uses its R&D facility for which it needs to pay a royalty. ABB also helps managing the company by having its expert in the ABB India's board. ABB is known worldwide for its advanced technology in electrification and automation. It combines engineering knowledge with software to improve how industries and factories work by using process and robotic automation. The company has 4 business verticals. First one is electrification, which contribute 42% revenue. Second one is motion, which contribute 32% revenue. Third one is process automation, which contribute 22% revenue. And the fourth one is robotic automation, which contribute 4% revenue. Apart from that, product contribute 76% revenue, services contribute 14% revenue, and projects contribute 10% revenue. Under the electrification, this part of the business focuses on products that help manage electricity safely and efficiently. It includes electric vehicle charging system, solar power inverters, and other digital solutions for low and medium voltage needs. Under the motion, ABB is one of the biggest makers of motors and drives in the world. It includes electric motors, generators, and a drive system that help machine run better. Under the process automation, these parts provide automation and a control system for industries like oil, gas, chemical, and food. It helps companies manage their operations smoothly using software, electrical system, and smart technology. Under the robotics automation, this segment deals with robots and smart machines used in factories. It helps improve speed, quality, and efficiency in the manufacturing. ABB is present in India for over a century and manufacturing for 75 years. The manufacturing unit is listed entity. It operates with entire ecosystem of ABB R&D, engineering, and services. The ABB has a total of 25 manufacturing plants in 5 locations all over India. ABB India started an online shopping platform called eMart to make it easier for its customer to buy ABB's product. On its website, there are over 6,000 products including electrification, motions, and industrial automation. It also helps for B2B and B2C customers. Under the new product development, ABB India made its Faridabad factory for low voltage motors bigger to become more competitive. The company also launched new products for analyzers and got new projects for advanced monitoring of solar and solar wind power system. Now discuss order book. As of December 2024, the company had an order backlog of rupees 9,380 crore, which is 12% more than last year. Apart from that, in Q4 quarter, they had a 2,654 crore order backlog, which is 4% increase year on year. This means that the company received many orders that had to be completed, showing strong performance. These orders come from different areas including electrification, motion, process automation, and robotics. The company plans to complete 65 to 70% in 2025 and the remaining in 2026. This large number of pending orders shows that ABB India is in a strong position. Now discuss challenges and future outlook. ABB India knows that there could be some short-term problems in getting new orders due to changes in economy and government spending on infrastructure. However, the company is still positive in its future. The company is investing in new infrastructure and new technology. There is not much pressure from Chinese competition because the company is making high quality products in India and is serving local needs. Now I'll discuss market segment and growth drivers. Continued focus on emerging segments such as data centers, which have become significant contributors to revenue. Strong growth in core segments like electrification, robotics, and motion with notable contribution from renewable energy, food and beverages, and the transportation sector. Expansion into Tier 2 and Tier 3 city is crucial for capturing rising demand for high quality product. Now discuss leadership. Mr. Sanjeev Sharma is the Managing Director and the CEO of ABB India. He holds bachelor degree in electronics and telecommunication engineering. He joined ABB India in 1989 and has over 30 years of experience with the company. He has had various roles across Europe and Asia. Now I'll discuss financials of ABB India. ABB India has a strong market cap of 1,18,083 crore. The stock is currently trading at the PE of 62.9, which is higher than the industry PE of 48.9. Although the PE looks elevated, it reflects the company's premium valuation in the market. The company shows strong profitability metrics with the ROC of 38.6% and the ROE of 28.8%. It maintains a very low debt level with the debt to equity ratio of just 0.01, making it nearly debt free. Interestingly, stock's 5 years median P stand at 103, which means that the current P of 62.9 is much lower. In fact, it is around the level seen during the COVID period, highlighting a possible correction from the past valuation peaks. For the quarter ending December 24, ABB India reported its highest ever revenue of 3,365 crore along with the highest ever net profit of 528 crore. This strong performance was mainly driven by robust margin of nearly 20%. Looking at the profit and loss statement, the company has shown impressive growth. Over the last 3 years, its sales has grown at CAGR of 21%, while net profit has grown at an even higher CAGR of 63%. For the current year, ABB India recorded its highest ever annual sale of rupees 12,188 crore and its highest ever net profit of 1,872 crore. In terms of shareholding, there is no concern as promoters holding is a strong 75%, which reflects confidence and stability. FII holds 10.27% while DII holds 7.01% and the public holds 7.70%. Now discuss technical chart pattern of ABB India. On the technical chart, ABB India's stock is currently down by around 40% from its lifetime high. The price has pulled back to the levels last seen about a year ago. From December 2024 to till now, the stock seems to be forming a curve pattern. Though I'm not sure what this specific pattern indicates. I would love to hear from your thoughts on it. So do share your views in the comments below. I'm limited in what I can say here, so this one's your homework. Also, here's something to watch closely. Whenever ABB India's stock has corrected more than 20% in the past, as how it behaved afterward. Has it bounced back quickly or stayed range bound for a while? Let me know your insight in the comments. This kind of history help us understand the stock's behavior better. That's it for today's analysis. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to Trading with Hariom for more in-depth stock analysis. And please let me know in the comment below which stock you like me to next analyze. Please take this video as a study purpose. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. We'll back in next video. Till time, happy investing.